The Mavic Air 2 is on the market in two options. Standard, that comes with drone, controller, charger, propellers, all of the necessary cables, and a single battery. And the Fly More combo offers more accessories. Today we're going to unbox the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. In the box, we have a high quality 100% polyester carrying case and another small box that contains the manual and the propellers. The case has a handle on the side and an over-shoulder strap. It can be carried based on preference. In the small box, we have 6 pairs of propellers. These are the first 3 pairs. And another 3 pairs. These are the manuals. Now we're going to open the carrying case. It is very well packed. This box contains the accessories. First, we have a spare battery. Then we have another spare battery. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. This is the AC power cable for the charger. And lastly, this is the power adapter. This is for the power cable. This is to charge the controller. And this is to charge the battery. It can be connected to the battery or the charging hub. This is the charging hub. The batteries can be connected at the same time but can't be charged simultaneously. And this is the remote controller. It looks very nice. Very well built. It has a pair of joysticks and the charging port at the bottom. This compartment underneath the top of the case contains more accessories. This box contains the ND filter set, a total of 3. ND16, ND64, ND256. Next, we have the adapter to turn the battery to a power bank. It has 2 USB ports. This is a USB cable to charge the controller. Both Standard and Fly More combo have 3 RC cables. 1 USB cable connector, 1 micro USB connector for Androids, 1 lightning connector for iPhone, which is pre-installed in the controller. Next, we have a pair of spare joysticks. And finally, this is the drone with the 3rd battery. It has a lot of stickers on it with instructions. Obstacle avoidance sensor and a light is noticed at the bottom. Sensors in the back. ADS-B is written on the right front arm. It will be explained in another video. And now we're going to talk briefly about the controller. As I mentioned earlier, the controller has a pair of joysticks stored at the bottom. It's very easy to mount. The controller has a function button, a return home button, and we have a toggle button in the middle that has 3 modes. Tripod modes makes the drone go slow so you can have a smoother shot. Normal mode, then sport mode that makes the drone go faster. This is the power button. And there we have a quick switch that allows you to switch from photo mode to video mode. On top of the controller on the right, there is a shutter button. On the left, there is a gimbal controller wheel. And of course, the joysticks to control the drone. Also, on the top of the controller, there is the phone mount. The antenna is integrated. This is the lightning cable pre-installed in the controller. Now I'm installing the phone on the controller. It fits perfectly. And now let's assemble the drone. To install the propellers, unfold the front arms first, then the rear ones. The drone comes with a lot of instructions, stickers, and foam protectors on the motors. It's pretty simple to install the propellers. Propellers are marked with silver and black circles. To install them, press then twist. The same process should be applied for all propellers. This is how it looks with all the propellers installed. The Mavic Air 2 can be stored in the carrying case with the propellers installed. To uninstall the propellers, follow the same process. Press down, then twist. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.